how to lock your home screen layout on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. By default, you can easily move any home screen application widget like this on your device. You can also move application like this. So you can easily move home screen application or any widget on your home screen. If you don't want to move home screen layout, you need to lock this. When you give your phone to your child or any friend, you can use this setting. Now to lock your home screen layout, tap and hold the blank space on home screen. Tap the settings app at the bottom right corner. Here you can find the lock home screen layout option. Prevent items on home screen from being removed or repositioned. So make sure to toggle on it to lock home screen layout. Now go to home screen, and when you try to move, you can see home screen layout is locked. You can unlock it in setting. So you can't move any widget or your application on your device. To move this, you need to again go to settings and to toggle off the lock home screen layout. Now go back, go to home screen, and you can move the widget or application on home screen you want on your Samsung S24 Ultra and any other Samsung device. So it's quite easy to lock or unlock home screen layout on your Samsung devices. That's it. If you like it, share it.